Welcome. Today we will talk about seat distribution of government MBBS seats in Chhattisgarh according to different categories, different quotas and different kind of reservation. So first of all, we should know about how much type of reservation there are. So first of all, there are central quota reservation for 15%, then state quota reservation of 85%, and we have a central pool quota which include 14 seats. And now we will begin with central quota have different kind of reservation according to the central reservation policies, and state quota have different kind of reservation according to the state reservation policies. So central quota seats which consist of 15%. So here in Chhattisgarh we have 670 seats in our state. So 15% of 670 will be 100, and there are 15% reservation for ST category, and which results in 61 seats. Which results in 15 seats, and there are 7.5% reservation for ST category, which results in 7 seats, and OBC has 27% in central quota, which result in 27% seats. So remaining seats, which include 51 seats, comes to general category. This general category also includes economical weaker section. So these are the central quota seats. Now we will begin with state quota seats, which consist of 85%. So 85% of 670 will be 556, and SC have 12% reservation in state, which will have 66 seats. ST have 32% reservation, which will have 177 seats. OBC have 14% reservation, which will ultimately result in 77 seats, and general have remaining seats, which so general have 233 seats overall in state quota, and central pool quota have 14 seats, which is distributed among different colleges, like 3 seats in PTJNM, 3 seats in SIMS Bilaspur, and list continues. So here we have to understand that while choosing your or filling your form, registration form for admission in MBBS, always remember where to opt your category or not. Okay, and one more thing, all the PH categories, physically challenged people or army people, this all reservation comes under general category, while if anybody who is handicapped and comes under OBC, so he will allot seat under OBC reservation. And one more reservation is there, which is for girls, which is 33%. So this is all over sum up of different kind of reservation. Never forget to choose appropriate option, because once you register in any of the reservation criteria, you cannot jump from one selection choice to other. If you choose OBC in your during your form filling, so if you got high marks, then also you cannot jump to general category. You will allot seats only in OBC. It's applied for all, but here is a catch for OBC, which I already answered in my previous video, that OBC required income certificate, because there are two different criteria in OBC, creamy layer and non-creamy layer, which tells if someone have salary per annum at more than 8 lakh of their parents, he will fall in creamy layer, and the people who have salary less than 8 lakh fall in non-creamy layer. Okay, so remember all the things. If you have any other query, let us know. Please share the video with your friends so that they can also have this knowledge. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hope you enjoy, and please share.